Ever needed a quick way to visually chunk up your documents? Let's unlock a super simple shortcut in Microsoft Word to create a perfect horizontal line in just seconds. First, position your cursor on the line where you want the divider to appear. Now type 3 hyphens, that's 1, 2, 3 hyphens. Immediately after typing the third hyphen, press your Enter key. Watch as those hyphens magically transform into a clean, professional-looking horizontal line, spanning the entire width of your page. But that's not all a circumflex euros. You have options. Let's try another method. This time, type 3 underscores 1, 2, 3 underscores. Just like before, press your Enter key right after. And voila, a tilde. Another perfect horizontal line appears. For a slightly bolder look, you can use another special character. Type 3 equal signs, that's 1, 2, 3 equal signs. And you guessed it, a circumflex euros. Press Enter. See, a thicker, more prominent line. These lines are fantastic for separating different sections of your text, like headings from content, or creating visual breaks between topics. It's an incredibly quick and effective way to improve the readability and organization of any document. So next time you need a divider, remember these simple keyboard tricks.